Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oscillating power tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit features a 3-speed selector that enables users to adjust speed based on application. A brushless motor that provides up to 57% more runtime over brushed, a dual-grip variable speed trigger that offers ultimate speed and application control, a universal accessory adapter for use with most oscillating tool accessory brands, a quick change accessory system that allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches, and a bright LED for illuminating dark work surfaces during cutting. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool is a cordless tool with a brushless motor and a 3-speed selector, providing users with up to 57% more runtime over brushed motors. The dual-grip variable speed trigger offers ultimate speed and application control, while the universal accessory adapter makes it compatible with most oscillating tool accessory brands. With a quick change accessory system and bright LED for illuminating dark work surfaces, it's a versatile tool for cutting and sanding. At number 3, we have the Hammerhead Oscillating Multi-Tool HAMT-022. The Hammerhead Oscillating Multi-Tool HAMT-022 is a versatile power tool that can handle a wide range of applications. With its powerful 2.2 amp motor, it delivers up to 20,000 OPM, making cutting, sawing, trimming, grinding, and sanding tasks easy and efficient. The compact size and ergonomic soft grip design provide optimal handling and control, allowing you to work comfortably for extended periods. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed to suit different applications, giving you more flexibility and precision. The universal collet system ensures compatibility with standard oscillating multi-tool blades and accessories on the market, making it convenient to find the right tool for the job. Additionally, the built-in bright LED light illuminates your work area, ensuring visibility even in low light conditions. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Hammerhead Oscillating Multi-Tool HAMT-022 for all your DIY and professional projects. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Oscillating Multi. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool has a variable speed dial that allows the user to adjust the speed to the application, an auto-load feature that starts slowly when making precise cuts, and a 180-degree span LED light for better visibility in low-light situations. With an oscillation angle of 4.2 degrees, it provides the fastest cutting, while vibration dampening technology ensures the lowest full tool vibration. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dremel MM50-01 Oscillating Toolkit. The Dremel MM50-01 Oscillating Toolkit, known as the Dremel Oscillating Kit, offers a robust design with low vibration for precise cuts. Its compact head allows access to tight spaces, while the angled body design enhances control for flush cuts. The powerful 5.0 AMP motor ensures pro performance for cutting various materials. The toolless blade change system simplifies accessory swapping, and the variable speed feature provides optimal control. This kit includes blades for wood, metal, drywall, and sanding pads, making it versatile for different DIY projects. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.